Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so nothing blocks progress. Confirm OS, 8 GB RAM minimum and 20 GB free disk. Next, install core tools Node, JS16+, Git, and a package manager, because dependencies compile and scripts run with them present. Once done, clone the repository and check out the required branch, then run the install command to fetch packages. Make sure to resolve any package lock conflicts early, since dependency mismatches create the majority of initial failures. You now configure the app, copy env, example 2, env and populate API keys, ports, and secrets because the app reads runtime config from those variables. Next, initialize the database, run migrations and seeders to apply schema, and insert minimal test data so features that require records can run. Then start the development server with npm run dev and watch logs for build errors. If a build fails, read the first error stack. That line almost always points to the root issue. You finish by validating the project. Run the full test suite and address any failing cases, because automated tests catch logic regressions early. Then perform manual QA, exercise core flows, inspect network responses, and tail logs while reproducing issues. Once everything is green, build a production bundle and deploy to a staging environment to verify performance. If things go wrong, clear caches, delete node modules, reinstall, and reset the database. This sequence resolves dependency or state corruption.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.